Alright guys, we're going to explain right now how to use the Denneroll. This is that foam block that you got in your home care kit. The benefit of this for you is to put a curve back into your neck. The way that this essentially works is think about the ligaments of our body. If we put a stretch on them temporarily, then the ligament that's being stretched right now, if it's only temporary, it goes back to right where it was. Think of that like an elastic band, it goes back to its original length. If, however, you apply a force and you stretch a ligament for over 15 minutes, now that ligament doesn't actually go back to its original length. It actually stays a little bit longer than it was. Think of that like if we sort of pull on the neck of your shirt too many times and it starts to get wrinkly, it didn't go back to its original length. So sometimes it's a bad thing, the neck of our shirt, sometimes it's a good thing. And that's what we're going for here because we're helping putting the curve back into the neck and we need to get the ligaments on board with that. So roll me. This is your Denneroll. You would have received this in your home care kit. The instructions for it are quite simple. Shoulders are on this side, so that's how you know when you're laying on it. This is going to be touching your shoulders, your skull is going to be on this side. And you're going to be laying on this. Inside of the box of your Denneroll, you would have seen a timetable, because you don't want to just go right up to, let's say, 15-20 minutes right off the bat. We're going to start with just a few minutes and gradually work our way up. It's going to be a lot more comfortable for your neck. And you're also going to see inside of the packaging there's 3 different positions you can put this on your neck. Lower, middle, and upper. We're going to go with the middle. So essentially, the apex of the curve should be right in the middle of your neck. So you lay this down, again, shoulder side on this side. And you're going to find a space right in the middle of the neck. Upper neck would be up here. Middle is right in there. Lower is down there. So we're going to go right in the middle. Find the apex right on there. And then you're just going to let your head fall, and this is very passive. You just lay here. If this is a little bit uncomfortable on your lower back, you can actually bring your knees up into a flexed position. If they're comfortable being down, then that's fine as well. From here, you're going to just lay here passively for whatever time frame that you're at. So you're going to start at just a few minutes and work your way up to 15 or 20 minutes. Then when you're done, you can set a timer or just keep an eye on the clock. When you're done, what you don't want to do is just sit up like this. This would be very uncomfortable if I'd been doing this for multiple minutes. So the way you get up after doing this is you roll onto your side and then you come up from there. And try to avoid doing any major neck movements right after you do this. Keep your neck in a fairly neutral position and then start to ease some movement back into it. All right, thanks.